the free HTML course that you're about to watch is just a small part of our full front-end web development masterclass. So if you also want to learn CSS, Bootstrap, Font Awesome, Animate.css, and all of that, and also gain your certificate and become a certified front-end web developer, you can enjoy the fast link in the description and get your access to our full front-end web development bootcamp at a fraction of cost. Also mentionable that this course is brought up to you by the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available to the traditional education. With all that being said, I'm so excited, so let's get started. We also have media, which are very important. So whenever we have media, it is either an audio or a video. And it is either located in our own PC, in our own computer, in our own device, or we are embedding it from an outer source. So let's do them. Let's do all of them one by one. So I have this MP3 file, as you see. It's a song, the thank you song, which is a popular one. It's basically, my tea's gone cold, I wonder why, got out of bed at all, something like that. So we got it, and just like the image, just like what we did with the image, we need to bring it to the root folder of our project. We can add folders here, so I can say audios or something like that for my track. Sorry, I did it with the page. It was a mistake. So I'll drag my track to the audios, and I can access that by a tag called audio. So audio tag has a beginning and has an end, has a closing as well. And it will have an src attribute, just like the img tag did, the image tag, if you remember. And we need to address. So I say, go to the folder audios, and this is my track. So I come over here, and as you see, I see nothing. Nothing is added. Yes. Why? The reason to that is because the track is already included in the page, but we have not specified any kind of usage for it. So we can make it a background music which plays automatically whenever we open the window or something, or we can give it controllers. So that's what I want to do. I add the attribute controls at the end of it. So this will give me a player, as you see. And I can easily play my song, manage the audio, the volume of it, and anything we want from a player. We even have playback speed, as you see, that we can use. So this is how we can add audios to our page. We also have the attribute loop, which will basically, for example, let's see what happens whenever the audio is finished. So now it's about to end, and it is ended. And as you see, this is gone. The audio is finished and done. But if I add the loop attribute to the audio tag, and if I reload and play it again, go to the end of it, so as you see, this is ending and this is restarting. So we have a loop over here. And yes, we also can have video, and inside video we can have, it's basically the same. We need to introduce our video by linking to it, just like what we did with the MP3 file. I don't have a video right now, a video file accessible to do it with. But the formats, the acceptable formats, I think are those common video formats like MP4, MKV or something, you know, and they need to be included in this folder, just like what we did with the sound, with the audio file, and we need to address to it. And again, very, very important, the controls thing is still applicable to video. So if you add a video to your page but do not include the controls attribute, you will not be able to play it, you will not be able to watch it, and you will not be able to access it the way you probably would like to. Another way that we can include things inside our web page is by embedding them. So let me search for London YouTube walking in London, probably, or something like that, and find a video that I want to include. This will probably be what I want. Yes, so as you see, I am currently inside a YouTube video which I want to add into my web page. So in order to do that, all I need to do is to click share, and I need to embed it. So click on embed, and as you see, this will provide me with a certain iframe tag which I can use. We have certain specifications and settings, as you see, that we can set for the video that we are taking. We can, for example, choose a specific time for where the video in our website we want to get started. So we can give it a time from the video. Show player controls, or if you uncheck it, as you see, we won't have the bar over here, the navigation bar, the time bar or something like that. We also have enable privacy enhanced mode, which has more explanations over here. Whatever. So you set everything to however and whatever you want. So I, for example, want to keep the controls and everything. And next I click on copy. And now I can come to my web page and paste the code I just copied. So I press Alt, Shift and F in order to clean my code. And I reload it. And as you see, this is what we get. Okay, I think there are problems with this specific video, but this is basically how we do it with HTML. So we embed videos from external sources like YouTube and same platforms, and that's how we can include the videos from those platforms inside our web page.